sustainable production. And members of the population are selected to be parents of the next generation based on desired characteristics. Characteristics can include qualities of animals, of the animals like meat taste, meat production, milk production, and feed efficiency, or maternal traits, for example. Who can give me some more examples of traits that you want for your animals?
Animal size.
Yes, good. Characteristics vary depending on the goal of breeding. For example, profit maximizing, breed appearance, fitness for certain environments, etc. Who can give me some more examples?
Right, stop for a minute.
For characteristics to be bred, it needs to be observable. This can be difficult for many sustainable characteristics. How would you observe the animal characteristics?
Like what color they are? The colors in their feathers or something?
No, you would look at the appearance of the animals, and you would see how they act and what their temperaments are, and then you would choose that animal to be bred for the next generation. Common animal breeding terminology is multiple trait selection. Breeders select for multiple characteristics at once. Low heritability an heritability is the quality of characteristics being transmissible from parent to offspring, and that is variation of the characteristics due to the environmental conditions, not genetics. Negative correlation is the selection for one characteristic results in unwanted change or characteristics. What do you think some examples are?
Aggressive behavior?
Yes. And some more examples are increased milk production results in increased susceptibility to mastitis in dairy cows. And mastitis is the inflammation of the mammary gland. And lean meat selection in pigs results in lower tolerance for stress. Genetic diversity is the amount of genetic variation in a population. Animal gender terminology in poultry. What's poultry?
Chicken, birds.
Birds. So there's broilers, which are young chickens grown for their meat. Layers are chickens developed to produce large numbers of eggs. Pullet is the young female poultry. A hen is a female laying eggs. A rooster is a male chicken. A tom is a male turkey. And chicks are young chickens. And cattle. What's cattle?
Cows.
Cows. Yes. A steer is a male castrated before reaching sexual maturity. A heifer is a female that has not had a calf yet. A cow is a female that has one or more calves. A bull is an uncastrated male. And a calf is a young cow. Dairy cows are raised for milk production, and beef cattle are raised for meat. And what's swine?
Pigs.
Pigs, yes. A barrow is a castrated male before reaching sexual maturity. A gilt is a female that has not had a pig. A sow is a female that has one or more pigs. A boar is a castrated male, or an uncastrated male. And a piglet is a young pig. Some breeding methods are natural breeding. Animals mate as it would occur in nature. It requires requires the animals to be in the same location. And then there's artificial insemination. It's when the animals are bred by gathering male semen and inserting it into the female animal. Animals can be very apart, as semen is often frozen and shipped between farms. It allows genetically superior animals to be bred with the largest number of females. Typically done in broad-breasted white turkeys and white cattle or dairy cattle and swine. Why do you think genetically superior animals are bred?
To give the best treats.
Yes. Modern selection characteristics are most large-scale production animals use only a select few breeds. It reduces genetic diversity that could be needed to improve breeds in the future. Turkeys are a large size with large breast width and efficiently produce meat at the lowest cost. When breeding turkeys, why would you want them so big?
More meat.
More meat and meat turkeys. Poultry they mature quickly and decrease time in production and decreased feed intake. And why would you want poultry to be produced quickly?
Because we eat a lot of chicken.
Yes, exactly. The weight of an 8-week-old broiler has increased from about 3 pounds in 1957 to 7.5 pounds in 2001. Some of the changes in weight are attributed to the genetics. Additionally, changes in diet and environmental conditions. In 1960, broilers matured in 72 days, and in 1995, it was 48 days. And the source is sustainable animal agriculture. And cattle, you want the fertility, maternal qualities, and growth rate, and feed efficiency and carcass quality. Swine is high fertility, lean muscling, and fast growth rate. Maternal qualities such as milk production and litter size. When breeding swine, what other characteristics do you want out of them?
Like body mass, big body mass.
Yes. Heritage breeding or breed selection characteristics. Poultry, including turkeys, is naturally mating and longevity in outdoor production systems. What do you think heritage breeding is?
Breeding from the same family?
No. But good guess. Heritage breeding refers to the raising of traditional livestock. It breeds that were used by our forefathers before the advent of industrial agriculture. And slow growth rate, which allows for turkeys to build a skeletal and organ system that will be strong enough to support its weight as it grows, requires 26 to 28 weeks to mature turkeys and 16 or more weeks for chickens. And cattle and swine, you want longevity, fertility, and productive often in adverse conditions. Sustainable breeding goals, you want the product quality, genetic diversity, and efficiency. Environmental and animal health. Animal welfare is animals should be suited to where they are raised, but also should get environment to meet animals' needs. And what environmental conditions do poultry, swine, and cattle need to thrive?
Grass all the time.
That's one for the cattle.
Open space.
Yes, open space. Anything
In water?
else?
Like
Yes,
water.
food and water. They need food. That's my last slide. So now we're gonna